In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Spark key fob. Replacing your battery at home is easy to do. You do not need to bring your key fob to a dealership. The whole process will take you under 5 minutes, and the only things you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now, the first step here, one quick thing to mention, there's a version of this device that has 3 buttons. I have the 4-button version. It doesn't matter which version you have, you can follow this video. The process is going to be exactly the same for both. The first step is just to find the button on the left side of your key fob. Hold that down while you pull out the internal key. Now hang on to this key because we're going to use this to pry off the back. So I'll just give you a quick example and then I'll break down what I'm doing. But you're going in just like that and prying the back off. One thing, you want to go in the keyhole, but you do not want to go in too deep. If you go past about this point, you will be stuck under a piece of plastic inside here. It's holding it down, and you can pry all you want. This will never open. You really just want to be in at about an angle like this. You'll feel that it kind of sticks there. You'll feel, okay, it's not moving, it's too far in. Right there, kind of locks in place. And you can test that you're in the right spot by looking at the seam in the plastic. And if you're kind of pushing while you're bending, and you see it start to open, you're good to go. You can just pop that thing open. And if you are in too far and you're pulling and you don't see that seam opening, you are not in the right place. Right about there. Boom, pop it open. Let me just show you. This is the part that I was talking about. If you're in that far, this thing will never come off. You really just, from the inside view, you want to be just about here and you just push it off like that. It's really not that tricky. Once you get your key in there, you'll feel that spot and it'll come right open for you. From here, if you don't have a long fingernail that can just pop the battery out, you will need something like a flathead screwdriver or even maybe another key would do. What we want to do is really just get under the battery and just pop it up, just pry or lift it up and it'll come out like that. You can dispose of your old battery and make sure your new battery is a 2032. And when you're putting your 2032 in there, you want the positive side to be facing down. So positive side down, snap it into place. And from here, we just need to reattach the 2 halves. So make sure everything is lined up before you squeeze. And you can just pop your key back in there. With that, you are finished. You changed your own battery, you saved a trip to the dealership, and now you are good to go. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.